Karachi and Benedicta, and my team members are Madam We are all members of ADEHYE RC Coding Club. Our project is on using Scratch program to develop a game to help improve our mouse skills. Let's go to the screen and see how the game is developed.
Let's first look at the codes or block used. These codes are used to code the start screen. Under here is sprite used for the game. Let's take a quick look at the game. This is the start screen. We have the play button, how to play, and quit. The quit exits the game. Let's see the how to play button. Good, it takes us to a page where you read the instruction on how to play the game. Level 1 is to help learners to learn how to move the mouse pointer. Learners are to locate a ball and move the mouse pointer on it to win a score. Now let's go back and see how the game is played. For the sake of time, we limited the game and score. When you are able to play the game and score 3 within 5 seconds, you move to the next level. Level 1 is about how to point. The player only moves the pointer on the ball. Level 2 is about clicking. The player must click on the ball before scoring a point. Level 3 is about dragging. The player must drag the ball to touch the sand to score a point. Not until you are able to complete a level. You cannot move to the next level. Learners who are learning mouse skills will see the game as a fun while learning, and it makes learning very interesting.
Thank you, Sister Faith, for taking us through how the game is played. Sister Lucy will now take us through how we coded the game, but because of time, she will only take us through how part of the level 1 is coded.
I will now take you through how we develop the game. Okay, let's launch the Scratch program. Good, the Scratch is ready now. Let's code, but before that, let's see the features. This is what we call the sprites, and we have our background. We can locate our code here, and the stage where we see what we are coding. I don't need this sprite. Let's delete and bring a new sprite. Let's also get a new background. Click here and insert new one. For this game, I will go for blue sky. Let's start by first click on our event and bring the green flag. With this, anytime we click on the green flag, our game starts. Let's give a position to our game. Start the game. We expect the game to start from the center. And we move the ball to any place. And we click on the blue flag. It comes back to the center. Let's see the effect of the go-to code. I hope you can see that. Next, I will go for the forever under the control. It is to help the action keep on happening. Now, I need a condition for the game. I will go for the if block under the control code. Okay, that's good. Now, what condition will I go for? I will go to sensing and pick touching pointer. That is whenever the mouse touches the pointer, something should happen, and since we want learners to learn how to move the pointer toward an object, the ball should keep changing its position. So I will go for random position under motion. Okay, let's start the game and see. Anytime the pointer touches the mouse, the ball moves random position. Good, everything is working. Left with one thing to add. The ball should hide and show so that the learner will not easily guess the direction of the ball. So let's go for hide under the lips. Turn to the ball so that when it hides, it will take a while before showing. This will make the game run very smooth. We can locate the time under control. Now let's bring the show block so that if the ball hides, it will show. It's under lips. Okay, good. Now let's start the game. This time I will end here, and next time I will teach you how to code next level and set time and score for the game. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed our game. Stay tuned and wait for more games. Bye bye.